Hi there, it's time to do a Wyckoff check on Polkadot. If you're new to my session, these are the 3 key items I'll cover during the session. And these are not financial advice, so please take note these are for education and research purpose only. Let's start with Polkadot. Here, previously as discussed, that Polkadot is within the accumulation cycle. And it has gone through a pretty strong paper hands, diamond hands test for almost half a year, all right, after the selling climax appeared back in April 2025 and set the automatic rally, meaning the trading range top. So after the initial decline in May-June time, this is where we are, and it's recovering from that point. And we said already that 2.28 is the level that should provide certain resistance when the price climb. The good thing that happened this week is that the volume remained relatively low compared to the past almost 10 weeks, especially with this red candle. Even though we see a wick from the top, meaning the bears are hitting hard when the price gets close to 2.28, the sell side, meaning it's not going further down, the force of the sell side is not that strong. Okay, when we before we get to the daily chart, one thing I want to mention, this is what we are expecting. The price advancement with volume, meaning white volume bars that are pretty tall combined with white candlesticks. Best with white candlestick that doesn't have a long wick from the top. Alright? So this, what we call the sign of strength stage, is what we are hoping to see when the price continues to climb. Looking at the daily chart, last week we talked about this yellow dash line, right? And I said when we get closer to somewhere near 25th of Jan, this is where the uptrend support, this yellow dash line, crossing the 2.28. So you see the price, the bulls and the bears are still fighting along this triangle. When we get closer to that point, we'll get the confirmation whether the bears finally give up and let the bulls push the price up to a point, at least challenge the 3.4 level. That's the bottom of the long-term playground of Polkadot. But it's like I said, it's not something that's so easy, because these price levels are there for quite a while, especially the $3 level that was set by the dip during June 2025. So we'll see how strong the bulls become by the time we get closer to the end of January. All right, as long as this line doesn't break, this yellow line, because the confirmation can go up to the north, it can go to the south as well. So when we get to there, we will know whether the bears win or the bulls. All right. If you're interested to get access to these sessions 2 days earlier than the others, feel free to join the channel membership. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next session.